We're here today with Nate from Elite Airtight Envelope, and we're doing the air test today, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Let's make this a little interesting today.
Yeah, you guys want to do a little wager, right?
Let's do a little wager. All right.
Yeah.
I brought my piggy bank here.
Okay.
Okay, so what do you got to bet?
I got 20 bucks in the car.
Actually, I want, you know what? I want your stilts. So what do you bet on the test? What's your number?
My number is, I'm going to say 0.8.
I'm gonna bet 0.6. All right, Grace, what do you bet?
0.7.
0.7, and what do you wager?
My skill saw.
What's your wager?
Tool belt.
Your tool belt, all right.
0.5.
0.5, and what do you bet?
And tape measure.
What do we got? 0.6. Oh, looks like I won, Nate. All right, everybody, pay up. Yeah. Take this and I'll go home. See you, suckers. Seriously, what do I need all this crap for?